Looking at a defect I just got in today, and it's a shame it's got to travel so far all the way back for such a small problem. But it's not working. Small problem or not. I thought I'd share this with you. Maybe some other people would get some good out of it. This radio turns on and has no sound, so you don't hear nothing. No sound, meters moving around. But you plug in an external speaker and you got sound. You unplug it and you don't. This is where that kind of problem arises. See this thing down here? Well, when it plugs in, watch what happens when it plugs in. See that tab there, that metal tab that's touching the tip of the plug? That's where our audio is. Now when I pull the plug out, this metal tab needs to spring back up and touch this right here. And it's just not making the contact. So you notice, if you pull those up, just tug up on it a little bit, just like that, to give that some more spring to it. See now it's got some more tension. I got the volume. I'm going to file that. I'm going to just take a little bit of that off there. Something's up with that. I'm going to check that out. Okay, last ditch effort. I pulled that up. And I got these little flat bill, little duck bill pliers here, and I'm going to bend that so it just goes, let's see, so it goes up like that some more. Let's see if I can't do that on camera. Let's see, is that what I got? Yeah, I got a little hook on there. See that? Let's see how that works. Gotta tuck it back in there though. There. Okay, putting that little hook on it did the trick, you see? And then I ran this file. I ran that file down inside here. Let me turn it off. I ran that file in here like that so that I can get that edge that I wanted. And I filed it. Alright, I just want to show you how to fix the speaker jack. Take care.